Please take a seat, the doctor will be late. Feathers folded, patience on your face. One wing in plaster, one eye shut tight. We all ache differently tonight. The clock ticks off like it's in on the joke. White coats whisper, cabinets choke. We wait, we sway, we cough in time, dancing through the phone line. If you listen close, you'll hear it beat. Health is just a rhythm we can't keep. Paper gowns and bottle cures, promises lined up on shelves. She pulls the answer from the dark, shakes it once, then checks the chart. Some of us limp, some of us fly, some of us fake it just to get by.